Hello and welcome back to my channel of Om Academy. My name is Rohit Arora. In today's video, we are going to look at the Linux basic command cd, that is change directory. In earlier video, we have just looked up the basic ls command for Linux. We have seen the two implied directories dot and double dot in that video. Now the next command is cd. Check out your home directory through pwd command, that is print working directory. Home directory is represented by a tilde symbol. It can be seen in the shell prompt left to the $sign. You can move to the root directory by typing cd/ and check through pwd command. We are now in the root directory. We can go back to the home directory by typing cd tilde and check through pwd command. We are now in home directory. Again go back to the root directory. Another method to move to the home directory by typing cd with no arguments and check through pwd command. We are again in the home directory. Go back to the root directory. There is another method to move to the home directory by typing cd $home, which is environment variable, and check through pwd command. We are back in the home directory. If we want to move to a specific directory, type cd absolute path to that directory name or cd relative path to that directory name. For absolute path, we have to specify the complete path such as cd/home/username/videos. We are now in the videos directory of the username. For relative path, we have to specify the path from current position cd:/music. We are now in the music directory of the username. Here double dot represent the parent directory. Let us change the directory to temp directory. If we type cd-, it will move our current position to previous directory, which were music directory. We can clearly see that we are now in the music directory. Go back to the home directory by typing cd, enter, and we are in the home directory. This way we can move from any directory to another directory in Linux file system. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do not forget to like and subscribe the channel for future videos. Thanks for watching.